Apple's tagline for the new 2020 iPad Pro models is "Your next computer is not a computer." It's a cheeky way of addressing the tension that's at the heart of most iPad Pro purchases. They cost as much or more than many laptops but may not be able to replace your laptop. Before getting into the video, please make sure that you subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Thank you. The 11-inch iPad Pro starts at $799 and the 12.9-inch model starts at $999, but in both cases, a more realistic cost is at least a couple $100 more. You should factor in the price of a storage bump over the anemic 128GB of base storage and the price of a keyboard case. iPad Pro buyers will quickly spend as much or more than the cost of a good MacBook Air or even a MacBook Pro, hence the tension. The internet has been arguing whether the iPad can replace your laptop for years now. And over those years, Apple has slowly filled in the software gaps, but not all of them. I'll just lay my cards out and say that, yes, the iPad Pro is a computer. It's just one that works differently than you're used to and sometimes stymies your efforts to achieve certain tasks. The Z doesn't stand for anything. Apple says it's just more than X, but what it means is that the GPU has been beefed up this year to 8 cores. Apple says that should help with games that run at 120Hz, 4K rendering and video editing apps, and improved our performance. I am sure that's all true, but I'm not so sure the majority of iPad Pro owners will ever notice a speed difference. This iPad feels very, very fast, but so does my 2018 iPad Pro. There's potentially an argument to be made about processor headroom and future-proofing here, but not an especially strong one.